Understanding Workplace Inspections. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects many of us: workplace inspections. Whether you're an employee, a manager, or just curious about how workplaces maintain safety and efficiency, this video is for you. We'll break down what workplace inspections are, why they're crucial, and how they're conducted. So, let's get started and explore the ins and outs of ensuring a safe and productive work environment. Workplace inspections are systematic examinations of the work area. They are conducted to identify potential hazards, assess risks, and ensure compliance with safety regulations. Inspections are not just about finding faults. They are also an opportunity to recognize good practices and reinforce them across the organization. The primary goal is to prevent accidents and illnesses by making the workplace safer for everyone. Why are these inspections so critical? Workplace inspections serve several key purposes: identifying and mitigating hazards. By spotting potential safety issues early, we can take steps to fix them before they lead to accidents or health problems. Ensuring compliance. Inspections help ensure that the workplace meets all relevant safety standards and regulations, avoiding legal issues and fines. Improving productivity. A safe workplace is a more efficient one. Employees who feel safe are more likely to be focused and productive. Promoting a culture of safety. Regular inspections demonstrate a commitment to safety, encouraging everyone to be more aware and proactive about their own and others' well-being. Conducting a workplace inspection involves several steps. 1. Preparation. Define what areas or processes will be inspected and what safety standards apply. 2. Examination. Walk through the workplace, observe operations, and talk to employees about their concerns. 3. Identification. Note any hazards or potential risks, as well as any good safety practices. 4. Report and follow-up. Prepare a report detailing the findings and recommendations for improvement. Ensure that corrective actions are taken promptly. Workplace inspections are a cornerstone of maintaining a safe and healthy work environment. They help identify hazards, ensure compliance with safety regulations, and foster a culture of safety that benefits everyone. By understanding and participating in these inspections, we can all contribute to a safer, more productive workplace. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.